Hello everyone, it's me DJB Diwata and once again, welcome back to my channel. And for today's vlog, I will be reacting to newest cover song from our very own France Rhythm, and this is You Are My Religion, popularized by none other than Firehouse. And this is a female version published 6 days ago with 83,000 views. I'm so excited to this cover song kasi it's been a while since the last time na nakagawa ko ng reaction video para sa ating pinakmamahal na France Rhythm. Actually, 2 nights ago, gusto ko siyang gawa ng reaction video, but sad to say, Israel was attacked by Iran and 200 missiles or 200 rockets had been launched from Lebanon to Israel. And so ayan, hindi ako nakagawa ng reaction video, kaya ngayon natahimik, medyo payapa, I want to take this opportunity na makagawa tayo ng reaction video para sa ating pinakmamahal na France Rhythm. Kaya pakinggan na natin ang kanilang version, and for sure, masisiyahan na naman ako dito at kahit pa paano ay maiibsan yung aking takot. Let's go! Exciting bungad pa lang! Grabe, ang linis! Wow! Look at those! Binata na siya! Lamig ng voice ni Char dito, Oh, Daddy France is so funny. Ganda yung setup nila, para sila nasa nasa gig. Eto na si Master Chen! Oh my God! Nagpakitang kilos na naman siya! Ooh. Wow! Ooh! Look at my goosebumps! Wow, Chen! Wow! Ooh! Wow! Napaka-smooth ang blending, Wow! Grabe, ang galing ni Char! Wow! I love it, Char! Ang galing! Wow, it's so cool! Grabe yung voice niya, napaka-amazing talaga. Apir na, apir! Apir! O diba, minsan pa ay pinahanga na naman tayo ng France Rhythm. Napakinggan natin yung version ni Daddy France sa Love of a Lifetime at talagang ang daming reactors, ang daming mga netizens ang humanga sa husay ni Daddy France, no? Napaka-cool kasi ng pagkakakanta niya doon sa Love of a Lifetime. And You Are My Religion, ito yung one of the coolest versions din na napakinggan ko. Kasi yung pagkakakanta dito ni Char, masasabi natin talagang swabe at napaka-angelic voice na napakasarap pakinggan. Para kang hiniheli na gusto mong pakinggan na ulit-ulitin. Anyway, ayan, if you want to enjoy more of the cover songs from our very own France Rhythm, please don't forget to subscribe. France Rhythm, marami pa kayong mapapakinggan na magagandang cover song at may mga original compositions na rin sila na mapapakinggan natin na talagang napakagaganda. And if you enjoyed watching this reaction video, please don't forget to give your thumbs up. And if you are just new on my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the tiny bell button, all notification bell to get notified on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe also aking pong DJB Israel. Ayan. Please pray for Israel na sana ay maging safe kami palagi dito, and pasensya nyo na po kung medyo nagiging madali yung paggawa ko ng reaction video. Kailangan pong masecure muna namin yung aming sarili, di ba? Anyway, ayan, bye-bye once again. This is DJB Diwata, and thank you so much for always watching and for always supporting and for the patience sa pag-iintay nyo ng aking reaction video. Bye-bye! Hope to see you again on my next vlog. I love you all.